Hey there, my foxy peeps. Guess what time it is? It's Geek Fuel time! Yeah, and I'm kind of lacking on my videos, but I've been busy at work, so, you know. The life of a worker! Hee. But we'll open it up and see what we got. Always. That's what you see at first. I'll set it down here so it's a little easier to look through it. Opening it up. And of course the Geek Fuel little booklet telling you kind of what's up. Put that off to the side. I see must be another game download thing. Bit Evolution this time. Like I said, I never download those, so you know. And it must be like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle type stuff. I got this little black container. It says Turtle Trainer. So we'll see what's in there. Ugh. I don't know, it's like a little ball. That's all I can see. It's a little ball. So that's one of the items. And then I see Super 1-Up planting pot. We'll open it up and see what it is. Ooh, cute! It's a little, it's a little flower pot. So that's kind of cool. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but you never know. And then I see, oh, it must be like a little stamp. Yeah, it's a stamp. Little monkey stamp. Oh, it's sealed, so I'm not going to open it. I'm going to hide that from my kids. Little temporary tattoos. I'll probably put it off to the side for my kids. Probably cut one out and each one can have one. Then, ooh. Certificate of authenticity for, oops, upside down, a Sherlock study and keep. So it's a Sherlock comic book. Sorry, I'm not quite awake yet. And little information card. Let's see what those. Oh, it's that little ball thingy that we got is a stress ball. It's a little hard, but I'll probably give it to my kids so they can sit and play with it. And then the T-shirt is Big League Pikachu. That's what the T-shirt looks like. That's kind of cool. I'll leave the information for the box down below for y'all to check out. Like, comment, or subscribe because I randomly upload videos. And thanks for watching. Bye!